Hi there, welcome to Lean Factory. My name is Anant and I am your trusted lean manufacturing coach, and in this particular video I am going to talk about 3 simple tips to help you manage your operations during this lockdown or during this COVID times. Many manufacturing companies are struggling to manage their operations during this lockdown period, and I am going to share 3 important tips for you to manage this particular crisis in a better way. So the first one is planning. A factory may be having multiple variants. You may be having a lot of SKUs and multiple sections in your company. Plan for which variant or which SKU you are planning to produce on a particular day. Right? Don't try to plan for various SKUs. Plan for 1 or 2 SKUs depending on the available manpower, and communicate to the employees of those sections to be present on that day. I know that in a lot of states there are restrictions for only 50% of the employees should be working, all those things. So communicate to the employees of those sections whom you want to be available on a particular day, and plan for the work in that area on that particular day. Okay. Avoid shuffling people between various departments or various sections because they may not be aware of some of the safety protocols or other maintenance related health and safety related activities. So it's better to have the employees from the same section working on the same product, right, or the same operation. That's better. So the first one is planning. Don't try to start a lot of variants, lot of lines. With the available manpower, how many lines or how many products you can make, only plan for that. Yeah, this is the first one. Second one is eliminating waste. This is the foundation of lean. Work means whenever there is a change in the product, it can be called as work. This change can be either physical or chemical change, and whatever activities which are not adding any value, where there is no change, it's called as non-value adding activity. If you can identify these non-value added activities in your operation, there's nothing like it. In every operation has a set of non-value added activities associated with this. For example, loading, unloading, the tool movement, excess handling of material, unloading the component and then keeping it in the flow and then moving it to some other area. A lot of these wastes are associated with the work generally. If you can spend some time on understanding this non-value added activities, and if you can reduce it, your overall output is going to increase, the productivity will increase. Can you spend some time differentiating between work and waste? Once you differentiate it, you can easily go and reduce that waste. So this is the second point. The third one is produce FG, that is finished component, not a lot of this work in progress. This is more or less related to the first point. The idea is complete whatever you have started, complete whatever you are producing it. Don't keep the materials as WIP at the end of the day, because there is a lot of uncertainties and we may not know what will happen in the next day. There will be sudden lockdown, we don't know. So the WIP material are the risky material for you, because RM and FG, they are in somebody's control. RM is under the control of stores, FG is ready for dispatch, it's fully packed and sealed. So the materials which are lying as WIP, they are the risky material. In fact, if you remember some of our older videos, we have mentioned WIP as the biggest poison of in any company. If you have 5 product lines, don't start all the 5 product lines during this pandemic and run into problems. Don't create a lot of WIP. If you have manpower only for 1 or 2 lines, just operate that 1 or 2 lines, but keep the materials in FG stage. Don't keep it in WIP stage. The material has to just come out of the line and becomes a FG. It should not held up as WIP. So these are the 3 tips which I want to give for the manufacturing company. The first one is planning. Second one is eliminating waste. Third one is produce finished goods, not WIPs. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am sure that this particular video was really useful for you. You can share it with your friends and network also. If you like this particular video, give a thumbs up, and you can also consider subscribing to our channel, because we share a lot of stuff related to lean manufacturing. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Thank you.